Hello, good viewers. Welcome back once again. Let's solve this equation very quickly. We have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 6 equals 72. Now, the left-hand side of this equation, we rearrange it as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 6. Then we have x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 4, and this is equal to 72. Now let's try expanding these two brackets here. So if we multiply this, we have x squared plus, that will give us 7x, then plus 6. And from the other two brackets here, when you multiply, we get x squared plus 7x plus 12. And this is equal to 72. Now in the second bracket, I can rewrite it. So we have here x squared plus 7x plus 6. Then here we have x squared plus 7x plus 6. Remember, this 12 is the same as 6 plus 6. And then this is equal to 72. Now from here, we're going to make a substitution, right? So we're going to let x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals y, right? And by so doing, we have here y into bracket. So here will be, remember from here, that is y. So we have y plus 6, right? And this is equal to 72. So from here, we have to open this bracket. So we have y squared plus 6y, then minus 72. This is equal to 0. So this equation is factorizable. So here we write 6y as 12y minus 6y, then minus 72. This is equal to 0. Okay, now many may ask, where is 12y minus 6y coming from? Why am I not using, is it only 12y minus 6y that will only give us 6y? I love that question because even 9y minus 3y will also give us 6y. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I found out that 12 times negative 6 will give us negative 12, right? And their addition will give us 6. So that is the reason why I'm doing this, right? So from here, we have a common factor of y, then we have y plus 12. And here we have a common factor of negative 6, we have y plus 12, and this is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that we have y minus 6, then y plus 12 equals 0, which implies that y minus 6 is equal to 0, and for here, y is equal to 6. And here, also y plus 12 is equal to 0. From here, y is equal to negative 12. Now, let us recall that x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals y, right? Now, when y is equal to 0, when y is equal to 6, right? So y is not equal to 0. So when y is equal to 6, so we have x squared plus 7x plus 6 equals 6, right? So from here, subtract 6 from both sides, we get x squared plus 7x equals 0. So from here, factor out x from the left-hand side, we have x plus 7 here, which is equal to 0. So from here, we have that x is equal to 0. And we also have that, x plus 7 here is also equal to 0, which makes x equals negative 7. And I think these are the only two raised solutions. Now, let's solve the equation when y is equal to negative 12. So, if y is equal to negative 12, then also x squared plus 7x plus 6 will be equal to negative 12. So from here, add 12 to both sides, we get x squared plus 7x plus, that will give us 18 here, which is equal to 0. So from here, I will use the general quadratic formula, right? And here we get x is equal to negative b, which is negative 7, plus or minus square root of b squared. Here, b squared is 49, right? Minus 4ac, 4 times 1 times 18, that will give us 72. Then over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So here x is equal to negative 7 plus or minus square root of negative 22, right? It owes 23, then divided by 2. So you know the square root of -1 is I. So here x is equal to -7 plus or minus I root of 23 over 2. And here we have the solution. So we have for real values, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to -7. Then we have for complex values, we have x is equal to -7 plus or minus I root of 23 all over 2. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.